Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Asam, Chief Market Analyst at EverTrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we'll be talking about Ethereum, which has made another all-time high. Folks, the door is wide open for Ethereum to touch that price level which we've discussed before, and that is $1,500, and Bitcoin remains steady. So let's have a look at the price action overall and see what exactly is in the store for cryptos. As always, it is important for us to go through this disclaimer and risk warnings. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, which can be downloaded from our website, evertrade.com. So let's have a look at the Ethereum prices to begin with. Now, first, a few things in terms of our fundamentals. The reason that we are seeing this strong upward move in terms of Ethereum prices, because as you can see that the prices sort of retraced very recently to $1,000, but then again we moved to the upside. But this particular move that we are seeing, there's a bit of a difference, because number one, this particular move happened at a time when Bitcoin prices were moving to the upside. But this particular move, which is happening now, is happening at a time when Bitcoin prices are not really making any major bullish move. Yes, we are steady. Yes, prices are moving a bit of a sideway, and I will show you the price. But this particular move is happening at a time, like I said, when Bitcoin prices are very much weak. And the reason for this upward move for Ethereum is based on one major factor. Investors and traders are very much of this mindset. They believe that Ethereum may not be classified as a security by the SEC. Because remember, the upcoming head of SEC, Gary Gensler, he is going to take a tougher stance towards cryptocurrencies, and that is one of the reasons that we are seeing a lot of sell-off in Bitcoin. The reason that we are not seeing the upward momentum is because there are a lot of concerns and anxieties that perhaps he is going to tighten the screws quite a lot around Bitcoin. And for if you look at Ripple's XRP, the reason that it is getting massively ripped is because the thing is that Ripple is highly likely to be classified as a security, and it will not win the case against the SEC, and that is the reason that we're seeing a lot of downward momentum for Ripple. But as for Ethereum, yes, the momentum is very much to the upside. Yes, we are moving to the up. This momentum is going to push the prices to our previous level, which we've discussed previously as well in our videos, and that means that with the 1500 price level is very much in play. And after that, for Ethereum, once we touch that 1500 price level, the next price that we are going to see, let me just move this one a little bit to the upside. This first resistance level is going to be at 1509 or something, and the moment that we break above this one, then the next major resistance for Ethereum is going to be the 1500 price level. Now, in terms of a support, of course, that support level in order to find that support level, we have to go into our intraday time frame, and that support for me is very much somewhere in between 1201 and between where the 50-day simple moving average is trading. So let's say between 1201 to 1271, that is where your immediate support is. In terms of a resistance, the price is very much approaching these price levels, and I'm going to change the resistance lines into red just for the clarity purposes, so that we know that which one is which. And let's change the color to this one. This is already red, and let's change the color from this one from green to red as well. So while our resistance is very much between 1500 to 1507, the support is going to be between 1201 to 1271. One thing that we do want to keep an eye on is the RSI is approaching near 70, which is associated with an oversold price that is an overbought price level, and that means that perhaps some sort of a retracement could be coming. But overall, the price action looks bullish. Now I'm going to bring out the BTC price action, Bitcoin's price action. Let me get rid of this particular. Uh, Let me get rid of this one. How do I? Why am I? Okay, so give me one sec. I am just going to delete this particular indicator. So if we just click on, I don't know why is it not doing it. It should do. It should get rid of these. So what I'm trying to do over here is I'm really trying to get rid of the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, well, anyways, it's not. I don't know why it's not happening. It should do, but it is not happening for some strange reasons. The software is just not working the way that I kind of want it to work. It just keeps on doing something. All right, anyways, apologies for that. So let's focus on the price action. So what we're seeing is in terms of Fibonacci retracement, and the Fibonacci retracement that I really did was in around the 20,000 price level to all the way to the top. Now what I've shown over here is that the price kind of really started to move lower. I think what we could do is we can just completely neglect the Fibonacci retracement altogether, because it's not really something that just try it one more time if I can really get rid of it. Nope, it's saying to me that it is not going to. Okay, what I could do is I could bring the Ethereum price action right onto this time frame. There you go. Sorry, the Bitcoin price action right over here. So what we're seeing on this particular time frame is that this Bitcoin price started to move lower from its 42,000 price level, and ever since we are moving to the downside. The most important factor that happened with Bitcoin is more recently when the prices came close to the 40-day simple moving average. As you can see from here, the price was very, very close to the 50-day simple moving average, which is in pink, and now prices are consolidating to the upside. What we kind of really want to see in terms of a price action really is that we want the price to break above this particular line, and we really want the price to stay above the lows of this candle. So it's really the price action is confined by this one. So once we break above this one, then that will give us a further confirmation that, okay, look, things are improving, and now Bitcoin prices have entered into new territory. And after that, we are going to be looking at the high of this candle, because then the prices will need to break above the 35,900 price level. Once we clear this particular price action, then the next resistance is really going to be coming right on top of this particular candle, just below that 38,413 price level, or let's just say nearly 38,000 price level. So let me just mark these price levels on the chart for you so that you can understand them. So this is our support level. We want the prices to remain above this one. This is your immediate resistance level number one. This is your second resistance level number two, and this one over here is your resistance level number three. So the play is very simple. We don't want the prices to break below the 50-day simple moving average. We don't want the prices to break below the low of this candle. We want the price to take the resistance out, move above this first resistance, and then the second resistance is right on top of the wick of this particular candle, and then the third one is on top of this one. The moment that we clear this one, then the chances are going to be very likely for the prices to move from here to all the way to all-time high, this resistance of 41,000, the consolidation of 41,000 to 42,000. So these are the areas we'll be very much focused on. All right, that's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.